Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular games on Roblox right now, Blox Fruits. For those who don't know, Blox Fruits is an action-packed game inspired by the anime One Piece. You get to explore vast oceans, fight powerful enemies, and of course, find and eat devil fruits to gain special abilities. First up, let's talk about the basics. When you start the game, you can choose to be a pirate or a marine. Each faction has its own unique quests and advantages. Personally, I went with the pirate life because, well, who doesn't want to be a pirate, right? Now the real fun begins with the devil fruits. These fruits give you incredible powers, but they come with a catch: you lose the ability to swim. There are 3 types of fruits: Paramecia, Zoan, and Logia. Each type offers different abilities, from transforming into animals to controlling elements. Check this out, I just ate the flame fruit and now I can control fire. This makes combat super exciting and adds a whole new layer of strategy to the game. Speaking of combat, let's take on a boss. Boss battles in Blox Fruits are intense and require a good strategy. Make sure to level up your character and abilities before taking on these powerful foes. And that's how you take down a boss. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work, so don't hesitate to team up with friends. That's it for today's video on Blox Fruits. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which devil fruit is your favorite. And as always, stay awesome and keep gaming. See you in the next video.